Namaskar, good morning to all. I, Dr. Ankur Bhogayata, along with my fellow colleagues, Dr. Tarak Vora, Dr. Siddharth Shah, would like to welcome all the dignitaries and participants to this 1 week FDP program for faculties and PG students on the topics of the earthquake engineering. We have with us our Honorable Dean Sir, Dr. R.B. Jadeja Sir of Marwadi University, and Honorable Registrar Sir, Shri Naresh Jadeja Sir. So, both the dignitaries are warmly welcomed by the entire staff of civil engineering and all the participants to this unique event, not only for the department but for the university also. We have at the department have a practice of organizing faculty development programs at different levels, like at department level, the university level, and the regional and state level. But we are very proud to share this moment with all of you that this time the AICT, with the help of the AICT Academic Training and Learning Academy, that is Atal Academy, with the help of the Atal Academy, we have been organizing this event and we have been planning regarding this training since last more than 1 month. So it's like dream come true for all of us. So before I move further and before we go into the details of the faculty development program that is planned under the earthquake engineering, I warmly welcome and request Dr. R.B. Jadeja sir to share his views on how the faculty development program is closely associated with the quality education and imparting the modern techniques to the students. So with this, I request Dr. R.B. Jadeja sir to share his views on this. Sir.
So good morning to Professor Ankur, Professor Tarak, Sri Naresh Jadeja sir, and all organizing team of Marwadi Education Foundation and Marwadi University. And congratulations to all participants of this faculty development program, which is sponsored by Atal Academy on Earthquake Engineering. So let me just give you a brief background what we have done before we have started this faculty development program on earthquake engineering, which is organized by Civil Engineering, Marwadi University. From every department we have applied, one application we have given to the Atal Academy. Out of this, from this region, only one application has been selected, and that is from Civil Engineering, Marwadi Education Foundation, Marwadi University. So once again, I congratulate on behalf of Marwadi Education Foundation and Marwadi University to the convener of this workshop, Professor Tarak Vora and Professor Ankur Bhogayata. I also congratulate to all organizing team, Professor Siddharth Shah, Professor Amit Thoria, Professor Sesav Viradia, those who have contributed a lot, and at last we have received the approval from Atal Academy. So it's a matter of pride for Marwadi Education Foundation and Marwadi University to organize this workshop. And at Marwadi Education Foundation and at Marwadi University, we continuously try to put up the efforts to improve the quality of the faculty members as well as to improve the quality of our students. If we improve the quality of faculty, automatically as a byproduct, we can improve the quality of students. So in our, from our starting, we have emphasized on to improve the quality of our faculty members. So we continuously discuss in HOD's meeting as well as in faculty's meeting to improve, to attend this kind of workshop at IIT, NIT, and a good reputed institute which they are organizing this kind of workshop. As well as we also discussed many applications we can develop in the same domain, earthquake engineering, and we all of know Gujarat as well as Saurashtra zone is the highest on fault line level of earthquake. So if we can develop certain applications, maybe with the use of AI or maybe with the use of other applications or other technical tool which are available in the civil engineering, that is a great help to the society as well as to the nation. So I request all the faculty members, those who have background of earthquake engineering, they can discuss, interact, and if they will develop fruitful application from this FDP, then I can say that objective will be fulfilled. I have gone through the list of the speakers. They are all reputed from India as well as from the industry. So once again, I congratulate to the convener of the program, which they have selected a good list of speakers. And I'm sure that all participants will get a maximum benefit from the speaker. So with this, I will not take much time, and let's start our FDP on earthquake engineering with the first lecture. So congratulations to all the participants of this workshop, and thank you. With this, let's start 1 week FDP on earthquake engineering. Thank you, Professor Tarak and Professor Ankur.
Thank you, sir. The entire team is thankful to you for sharing your valued views and your important encouragement to all of us as always. And we are very happy and proud to have you with us to guide us and to direct us. Now, since the year 2016, when the Marwadi University started and shaped up, and the dream come true for all of us. At that moment, it was a commitment, inherent commitment given by each of us that we will never compromise on the quality education, and will for that particular policy we'll have a zero tolerance policy also. And in that line and length, we have been trying our level best to provide whatever modern skills, whatever techniques that we have at the department. And for that, we keep training our faculties also on a regular basis. So we have a pattern actually to have a faculty development program at least once in a year from the department level. But this is a unique platform now, first time we are sharing, that is the online platform. So this is nothing but also the manifestation of the modernization and a state of art way of sharing the development program with all the faculties and the participants. So university has a key role to play in the development of the one's career also. And on this regard, here with today with we have with us Shri Naresh Jadeja sir, Honorable Registrar of the university. So we would like to hear from Naresh Jadeja sir also that please share your views and your valued encouragement to all of us that how the Marwadi University is looking forward to this kind of faculty development programs in future, and how it is closely connected to our vision and mission of the university. So please, Naresh Jadeja sir, I request you to have your views with us, share with us.
Good morning, Dr. R.B. Jadeja, Dr. Tarak Vora, Dr. Ankur Bhogeta, Dr. Siddharth Shah, all faculty members of Marwadi University, as well as all registered participants of Marwadi University and all other reputed institutes of India. As Jadeja sir mentioned, it's definitely an achievement for a department to host such a reputed um, faculty development program through Marwadi University. So all of you, those who are involved in a department entirely, should feel proud of it. It will be an interesting thing because so far we are used to face-to-face or in physical mode faculty development programs so far. This is going to be the first online faculty development program. The thing is that you all must have delivered maybe hundreds of lecture online by now, because after March we suddenly got into a situation where we had to adopt to new way of delivering content. And I think this might be the time that you will be receiving it. So far some of the faculty have delivered it, but this is the first time that you will be receiving it. So this will be a learning opportunity for us to see that what we can learn out of it. I'm sure that such faculty development programs uh, is not only useful to receive content, but lot of networking, meeting each other, discussion over a tea and all that is very important, and that will definitely going to miss it. So this cannot be forever thing, but yes, to adjust to situation, we are doing it. Also it comes with a lot of opportunity and a lot of convenience, so we'll enjoy that. But I'm sure that we'll be doing it more frequently in physical mode in future. As I mentioned, in suddenly in March, we realized that we had to deliver completely online as a university. From the beginning, Dr. Ankur Bhogata is a leader of it. We have started developing MOOCs. We have a studio on campus where we have all the tools available so that we can develop a complete online lecture with all the technology. But when we started in March, we realized that every faculty needs to be trained or should be aware about how to make classes more engaging and effective. And that's the reason that every faculty of Marwadi University were asked to take up one online course on how to teach effectively online, and that has definitely helped. Apart from that, all lectures of that are being delivered online are recorded and shared with our students so that they can do the learning at their own pace happens. This is an opportunity for students. Those who are in slow learners can learn at their own pace. And again, with a matching with the vision of university, that we always want to learn, we always want to solve the problems and see how we can be more effective. All those online classes are being monitored by higher or senior faculty members, and the feedback is given to young faculties that how to make it more engaging. So it's a complete cycle. So our base of university is that we want to keep learning, and our faculties are heartily joining it. So this was a great opportunity that now not only on pedagogy side but a technical side also we are going it online. So I wish everyone a great learning through this faculty development program, and hope that we collaborate, because the most important thing that we wish to take out of it is more collaboration, more ideas, more zeal to work towards it, and I'm sure this will come out of it easily. So with this, I congratulate all for joining, participating, and I wish all of you a very happy learning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for sharing your views and the entire staff on behalf of the department and participants. We are thankful to both our dignitaries, our Dean, Dr. R.B. Jadeja, sir, and Honorable Registrar, sir, Naresh, sir, for being a part of this inaugural function. Friends, we have observed that both the dignitaries have utilized few keywords like effectiveness, like AI-based integrated way of learning new concepts, and the modern pedagogy. So all these keywords are very actually effective and necessary to be explored by all of us. Being a lifetime student, once a teacher always a teacher, and a teacher always keeps learning. So that is a central idea of holding any FDP. So it's not about how we should take lectures and how we should deliver it, but it's more than that. So what this more is expected from our experts and the variety of the consultants, those who are going to impart their experience and academical achievements with all of us in this upcoming 1 week. So I on the behalf of the department would like to request all the participants to take maximum advantage of this platform, because it's as both the dignitaries has mentioned, it's a unique platform and it is with more convenience. Generally, we when we attain the FDPs, we are at a particular location where we have to be at the same location, and we keep our other schedules on hold, and we appear in that activity. So there are benefits of that on its own side, but this is a unique platform where you all of you are little flexible as far as the attention of this providing attention to this contents of the FDP is concerned. So I think it's a good opportunity for all of us collectively. And what is actually the objective behind this FDP program, and how the idea came into mind, and how it was conceived and how it was executed. So to share this central objective of this entire 1 week FDP program on earthquake engineering, I would invite and request my fellow colleague, my friend, Dr. Tarak Vora, to share his views on how actually the objective was finalized, and why we actually are conducting this FDP through this platform. So over to you, Tarak.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Respected RB Jadeja, sir, respected Naresh, sir, my friends and dear participants. So the thought that came in our mind to conduct such FDP on the earthquake engineering, as we have the earthquake on every other day, and we are, as a structural engineer, responsible to build safe structures to resist the future earthquakes. So at our university, we are conducting such workshops for our students also, but again we got the feedback that why not to conduct such FDP. And meanwhile, we got the opportunity to conduct online FDP through Atal Academy from AICTE. So at this juncture, we are very much thankful for Atal Academy to provide us the opportunity to conduct such online FDP. In this FDP, the topics which we have covered, that is starting from their basics to the end, that how to analyze and how to retrofit, that whenever we have damaged structures, that how to retrofit that, and before that, when we are going to construct the new structures, at that time how we have to start with. So various topics that we will be covering through this is the earthquake resistant design philosophies, nonlinear analysis, structural control systems, base isolation techniques, seismic analysis and design of masonry structures as well as bridges, and seismic vulnerability assessment as well as its retrofitting. And to cover such whole package of the earthquake analysis, we have the experts from different varieties, like academicians we have scientists in the group, consultants, practicing consultants in structural as well as retrofitting, and we have the motivational expert for meditation to promote the Fit India movement, which is also an important part of our life. So I am very much thankful to Atal Academy, to the experts for providing their supports to conduct such a FDP, as well as the participants. We have got overwhelming response from the participants. The upper cap set by the AICT is 200. We can have maximum 200 participants. And I am happy to announce that we have the full audience, that we have 142 faculties as well as the professionals and 58 PG students in the participant list. And we are sorry for those who were not be able to accommodate in this FDP, but we can give a surety that we will be continuing to conduct such FDP for the knowledge sharing sessions for those also who are not able to participate in this FDP. So I welcome all the participants again, and I'm sure that you will be very much you will be feel very much happy to learn the basics of earthquake engineering through this FDP. So thank you, sir, and I hand over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Tarak, for sharing the objective and aim of this FDP to all the participants. I think this has definitely strengthened the urge of every participant to go through the entire session for the entire week. So it was really encouraging. And interestingly, we all noticed that you said that actually this is a central idea from the central government, from the university level, and from the department. So without the commitment from every level, this kind of activities are very difficult to execute in the real senses. So I think by and large, we have been participating in a variety of the FDPs so far. But since this is the first gesture offered by the AICT as a main academic body of the nation, and we all are very proud about being a part of this first of its kind event even at the university and the department. So what's the role of the department? What are the pursuance of the faculty members in mind regarding the excellence of the civil engineering education? How we are committed to impart the quality education? What are our planning and programs? Are from we would like to listen from our head of PG section, Dr. Siddharth Shah, who is with us today right now, and I would request and welcome him to impart very quickly the views on the how the Department of Civil Engineering is associated in imparting this kind of programs. Over to you, Dr. Siddharth.
Uh, Thank you, Dr. Ankur, and good morning to honorable dignitaries, Dr. Naresh Jadeja sir, Dr. R.B. Jadeja sir, my fellow colleagues, all the esteemed participants, and the staff of the Civil Engineering Department. So, as already mentioned by our Dean sirs and Registrar sir, that we are committed to quality education, and we have achieved NAC A plus grade, and we are planning to get NBA also. So we all are lifelong learning as per the Stephen Covey's The Seven Habits. One of the habit of a highly successful person is to sharpen the saw. And we at Civil Engineering Department firmly believe in this policy, sharpening the saw. And I'm proudly saying that since 2014, we are organizing one or another faculty development program or short-term training program with the help of professional bodies. Till now, we have completed almost 9 faculty development program in the areas of the geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, structural engineering, and this is the ninth on earthquake engineering. As far as Department of Civil Engineering is concerned, it is one of the versatile department of the Marwadi University, wherein under the leadership of Dr. Tarak Vora, we have obtained NABL accreditation, which is very rarely available in any academic institute. And we are doing a handsome amount of the testing and consultancy work. Further, at our department level, all of the faculties have undergone a 3-level faculty development program for teaching and pedagogy in-house, designed by our Marwadi University. Not only that, but most of the faculties have also undergone under the scheme of Indo-Universal Collaboration for Engineering Educators, and wherein also faculties have undergone 3 levels of faculty development program. So, yes. So, uh, uh, with these are the some qualities that our department have. So, without wasting further time, I wish all the best to all the learners, and I'm sure that the participant, the way we have selected the speakers, you will enjoy this faculty development program, and sure we will exchange knowledge, and we'll like to hear your question, and our experts, the way we have selected, will definitely satisfy your all queries and curiosities. So let's make this event more successful by asking more questions and solving your doubts. So all the best and happy learning to all. Now hand over to Dr. Ankur Bhogaida.
Thank you, Dr. Siddharth, for encouraging the participants. So now, without further extending this notion of inaugural session, let's directly move to the actual sessions, as we are thankful to our dignitaries, our Dean, Dr. R.B. Jadeja, sir, our Honorable Registrar, Sri Naresh Jadeja, sir, for being a part of this inaugural function and share their views with all of us. So with this, I would end the inaugural session here, and would like to request the coordinators to take upon the charge, and let's start with our first session on this 7 days FDP of earthquake engineering. So thank you all and keep learning. Thanks.
Yes, all are requested to join with the session link. Thank you.
Thank you.